one of our students today, Alex, he hit his first $2,000 month.
Definitely helps with other people.
What led you to discover why your book failed?
I think mainly from his video, he really talked about, he really honed down, it's keywords. At the same time, all these videos, like the owner that I was talking about for the next course, he released a bunch of videos about keywords. And then I figured that was the main point. I don't think it was. I mean, of course, the cover and stuff was garbage and whatnot.
Right.
At that point, I was under the impression it's all my keywords.
Okay. Cool. So then you ended up going with this other guy's course.
Yeah, I got six-figure publishing that basically promised to get your keywords out of nowhere.
Okay.
His keyword strategies, they got your keywords, don't get me wrong, but the criteria he had were just really hard to get and really never found any keywords. The people in the group, very grateful, but all the people who are the authority figures who help people out really, I think the most I ever saw was like $200 that someone posted as their success. After months of being in the course, really no one really made much at all. The owner had a baby, and then he basically took the course off the market and never replied to anyone in the Facebook group anymore. And I made a Facebook just to get into the group because at some point I realized that, hey, I should be with these people.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
You're like, maybe I should try this with other people around next time, right? Yeah. So, okay. So then that's interesting because I haven't heard really a lot from, well, I don't think that Shaw's course was around for too long, but okay. So it didn't, so the group wasn't your cup of tea or just you realized you're like, wait, there could be more to this publishing thing or.
Yeah, I think I realized, especially this, I just need someone that I felt like knew what he was talking about more, like an actual authority figure that was making $1,000 that might have helped me a little more, but he wasn't in the group. So you're just dealing with a bunch of people who know the process, but no one has.
They know the process, yet they don't make money. Okay, gotcha. I know those people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So at that point, I published, a bunch of books, maybe like 3 or 4 or 5 books using these methods. And I also did, this is another thing I didn't know until very recently, that the books I published on were like Amazon keywords. So like how to add and redeem an Amazon gift card, like Amazon.
Oh, good God almighty.
Yeah.
Have you removed those from your account?
I have removed them from my account.
Thank God, man. Jeez. Were those some of the keywords that they were giving away or you just found those randomly?
Yeah, I just found those randomly. That was part of their criteria. You never mentioned anything about
cool.
About how not to get banned.
Yeah.
No emails or anything.
Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, and then, so go on.
So, after he quit in I think a little bit before May, February, March-ish, I think he got off the market, and then I thought, man, no one's making money. And then I keep seeing, your videos of people making $1,000 all the time. Or at least that's what it felt like. So
that's what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So then you started seeing my videos again.
I started seeing your videos again. I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna suck it up, and I'm gonna pay the extra $100 or $200, however much it costed more.
Yeah.
So I bought your course again.
So did that sting? I want to understand. Did that sting a little?
It did sting a little.
Like bruise the ego?
Yeah, because you think, this whole time is like I can do it with just the course. I can do it without people. Then you realize, I can't do it without people. Okay, well I'm gonna buy this course. That course is gonna work. Well, now I gotta go to the first course or the second course I bought again.
All right. Okay. And so you re-got it, and then what was different this time around? What changed for you?
For one thing, the course, not the course, the group, I joined the Facebook group. Everyone was very, helpful. Just going past through, a bunch of people made money. I was looking through the success posts. And also it was updated since the last time I had.
There was probably it probably doubled in size in terms of lessons from when you first bought it in May of 17 to the spring of 2018, I guess you just bought it. Yeah. Back a few months ago. Yeah. It probably almost doubled in size for lessons.
Yeah, it was really good. I was very impressed. There's things that was like, wow, I should have done this. I know the 10x rule kind of blew my mind.
Yeah.
Uh, I think that blows a lot of people's minds. But that was like, wow, I didn't know that. But yeah, so that first month in May, I had updated my previous books I did have, and I got like 2 books out, something along those lines. And I made my first $150 a month. Prior to that, my biggest month was only like $30. So first month I had hit $150, broke my first $100 month.
Nice.
Um,
Nice.
at that point, maybe it was a low brass rate really quick, but I thought, man, now I made $100, I can do it now. So I actually quit. I dropped out of WGU.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So no longer trying to become a CPA. Since I enrolled in fall, I had actually gotten it self-paced, so I got like a year and a half in like a couple months, 9 months or however long that quarter was. So I got pretty far, but then I thought, hey, if I can do this, it supports my lifestyle goals, so I'm just gonna quit this. So I quit. I'm no longer gonna be a CPA.
That's awesome, man. Hey, if that's what makes you happy, then kick that to that curb. Absolutely, man. I fully support you with that.
Yeah, man. Like,
What did your parents think?
They don't know yet.
That's awesome, man. All right, cool.
Yep.
All right. So, okay. So continue through. So you made your first $150 a month, and then what?
And then at that same time, I got some training from a fellow blueprinter that kind of helped me out with my keyword angles and how to do keywords.
Yep.
So June comes around, I hit my first $200 a month.
Mm-hmm.
July comes around, I hit my $300 a month, so $100 increase.
Yep.
August comes, I hit it's like $650, so that's double from July. Pretty good. September, I hit $912.
Yeah.
Which I almost hit my first 1K, except I actually had a critical mistake that my best-selling book it was a low-content book, but it was selling about 5 to 10 copies a day, and then no review swaps, no nothing. And then I get a 1-star review one day. 1 star. I look at the review, and I didn't think there was any hate or anything, but I looked at it, read it. It said, I thought this was from another brand because the cover shows a logo of a different company.
Oh.
My freelancer had gotten it from a different company. So I looked at the company, and sure enough, the first one that popped up was the same exact cover I had.
Oh no, man. You're lucky you didn't get like a trademark violation or any of those, way more scary. I'd take the 1-star review over that any day of the week, but
yeah. So I, quickly I unpublished it, got new covers, and
yeah,
but it was never the same afterwards.
Yeah.
That book kind of, fizzled out. I was making like 5 to 10 sales a day, and it only now makes about 1 to 2 sales a day.
Yeah. Oh well.
And that was at like mid-September, so I could have hit my 1K, but the lesson was learned to. That was the first time I was working with that freelancer because I wanted to try out a new cover designer. Yep. So working for the first time, you should double check their work.
Definitely. All right, and then what changed from going from your $900 a month to most recently just over $2,000?
Well, I had one book that made me $1,100.
Wow. Huh?
One book. It was. I know it gets a lot of garbage, but it was a low content book. It just happened to make $1,100. It does pretty well for me.
Hey man, how much was the book to produce?
That one was a little more expensive. That one was $300.
Okay.
It was more of kind of an illustrative book, but no text or anything. Of my top 3 books, they're all low content books. I think the other ones make like $200 and like $300. Those ones cost me about like $75 to make. Those
right.
Too.
So cool. Well, hey man, $1,100. I don't care how you spin it. That's exciting. Congratulations on that. Okay, is there anything else you want to add to your story?
No, that's about it.
No, that's pretty much right. That brings us to November here. Yeah. You're active in the Facebook group. How important has the Facebook group Inside My Self-Publishing Blueprint been for your success?
Oh, I think that has been one of the, I mean, I think that's one of the defining factors, you know? I mean, if I have a problem, you know, I ask it, or even there's just value, even just reading through some of the other people's problems or questions that they've had.
Right.
It just, oh, I might come to that eventually. Why not read through it?
Mm-hmm.
So that has helped me with some potential problems or things I could have avoided. That's how I found out about I couldn't use Amazon. I mean, I looked at the Facebook group. I think you posted you can't use this keyword. Dang it.
Yeah, like that kills those books. Yeah. Well, it's better than those books. It's better you killing those books than Amazon killing those books, right? So, sweet man, could you give some new advice just as we wrap things up? Could you give some tips to people who are thinking about getting started or they're just getting started? What are some things that you've learned that you think would help speed up their learning curve?
Yeah. So I think number one for me, understanding what makes a profitable keyword. Like I said, I had some training. I also paid someone to look at my keywords that I found. I basically just messaged him and said, "Hey, how much will you charge me to look over my keywords that I find?"
Mm-hmm.
So I was paying him, $100, $200, however many keywords I asked him. That really helped me understand what a good keyword is.
Good.
That really helps. Number two, differentiate. Ollie says all the time, I think everyone says, don't be the 50th beginner's guide.
Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty cut and simple. I think AMS is critical.
So you're running ads for all your books?
I am running ads for all my books, yes.
Good for you.
I have a couple of very successful ones. So, I spent $22. And then
you made like 400? Yeah, I just posted about that today inside the group. Awesome return. Wicked return.
I know. It kind of blew my mind. And then collaborate. I think I collaborated with a couple people. I count having someone look at my keywords. I went into a bunch of the Q&As and just asked whatever questions I needed.
Sweet.
Free coaching.
Fantastic, man. Well, anything else, Alex? Or
and then I think last one, I recommend a couple of videos to watch all of Ollie's interviews with you.
Yep.
Descriptions and whatnot. I think those are some of the best gold YouTube videos you can watch.
Awesome. I'll link those videos so people can find them easily here in the descriptions for this video. But sweet man. Well, Alex, thank you so much for taking some time to share your journey, and congratulations again, man. $2,000. Cannot wait to celebrate your $5,000 month, and then shortly after your first $10,000 month, man. It's just a matter of time because like you saw that post. If you can make $1, you can make 100. If you can make 100, you make 1,000. You can make 1,000. You can make $10,000. So it's just about scaling up from here on in, man. So congratulations once again. All right, bud.
Thank you, Mecca. It's been fun. Thank you.
Awesome.